Wow, where do we start with this little beauty? What a gorgeous looking car, absolutely gorgeous. Vauxhall Adam S 1.4 turbo, 150 brake horsepower pocket rocket. It is absolutely stunning. Forget about grey metallic with the red roll roof pack, looking absolutely stunning. The contrast there, extremely rare. £2,400 worth of factory fitted options, just one local owner with 21,000 miles. Let's take you all the way around it. It is stunning all the way around. Raced in December 2015 on a 65 plate. Good size boot, nice and deep, plenty of storage in there. Split folding rear seats. No spare wheel, but we've got the emergency kit all there complete. Those are the special Recaro seats, £1,600 option. They really do hug you in. That beautiful contrast, the red, the grey and the black in between. All the wheels have been professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so no damage, no scuffs, no little dings on those. All the tyres in great condition all the way around. All the bodywork is just gorgeous. Nice little spoiler on the back, colour coded mirrors to the roof. Again, a close up of the front wheels. Of course, the red calipers just set it off beautifully. All across the front. And this is why we do the videos, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair 24/7. And this is probably why many other dealers don't do videos, because there is nothing to hide, full transparency. This just shows the quality of all our vehicles and the standards that they're prepared to. Let's take you inside this beauty. All the door trims absolutely perfect, no damage, no scuffs, no little dings. Nice attention to detail. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel, and look at those seats. Beautiful Recaro seats, they really do hug you in. And the condition, as you can see, no damage, no scuffs, no tears, no rips. And of course in the back, just gorgeous. £1,600 option for those seats. Beautiful cockpit all the way around. Really is amazing how they've got the attention to detail everywhere. Just look at that. Beautiful trimmings. Again, everything lovely and clear. No damage, no scratches, no skims. Good stereo system. Of course, you've got various functions with Bluetooth, various apps, all touchscreen, all the vehicle settings. All nice and clear, special functions on that. Got heated seats, heated steering wheel. So a great spec car. Climate control, USB input, 6-speed manual gearbox, cruise control speed limiter. Look at that, 21,031. That's all, 21,031 miles. 2015 car, so amazing low mileage. In outstanding condition. Has to be one of the best ones on the market. So, cruise control, speed limiter, other stereo functions on the steering wheel, the volume, the source, and of course the nice steering wheel there. So there we have it, our beautiful Adam S with 21,000 miles, one owner, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure, great finance always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your low deposit, your low monthly payments. If you want it, hit the button and reserve it. This car will not be about very long whatsoever. Reserve 24/7 off the website. Remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. But with videos to this detail, there's nothing to hide. Full transparency. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Click and collect from our showrooms. Alternatively, ask about home delivery. A real pocket rocket that makes a statement. Whatever angle you look at it, it is gorgeous. If you don't want to miss it, give me a call today. It's 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.